your hair. Your hair is like... Dang!
Oh my God!
It's so cute, though. You might as well take another picture.
You're right.
Yeah, so it's been a long time since I've done the Ashley show.
Hey, come on. We got Linda.
Well, come on. Gigi, my best friend. Okay, you can't get me wet. You can't get my camera wet, you guys. This is going on Facebook, by the way.
Come on, y'all. Everybody get in line.
G-rated.
Go for Ricky Cooper.
G-rated.
Everybody get in line. And we're going to go. We're going to go right for April.
Wait, my mom just called.
And then we're going to go right.
Hello? Yeah? Nobody does. Let me call you back. What are we doing? What are y'all doing? Okay, you just got everything wet over here. Oh, yeah. Where's it at? Oh, see it. Keep this G-rated because it's on Facebook.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
And then turn right.
What? I look horrible too. Don't feel bad.
Yeah, everybody get in line. You ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right.
Oh, wow.
Okay, now left.
Look at Sarah Brooks. Integrate! Integrate!
Okay, guys. Now. 1. Look at water. Okay, flip.
What is that? Seriously. I love how Aaliyah does it. Okay, no, that's not right.
This is live from the Ashley Show.
Yes, we are.
You ready? We're gonna walk this way.
You have to walk to the beat. Y'all are not on beat.
Okay, walk towards me now. Go. Okay, come on. You in front of me.
Dude, you're so Nicole. What's her name? Oh, God.
I'm Nicole.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, everybody get a close up. I don't want a close up.
Everybody knows what your ass looks like already, Jeej. Get it off. I'm so jealous. Real talk.